Hands off, buddy.
Stop it.
See, this is the shit I've got to deal with every fucking day.
You're in demand.
Don't start. Get that off. No. 9:30 Thursday. Meet Saturday. So Wholesale Academy meet-up. Private dinner that we're doing. And we said we're going to start this early. Show you a bit of the behind the scenes and what's going into it. We've planned some pretty good stuff, but it's not all the way there yet because we still don't have transport. So, transport, we get 5 of these to come, which is pretty fucking gangster for everyone. Make them feel special. But it's 400 quid. So it's up to you.
Well, I'll save the money on the meal.
So you for it? I thought it would be you that'd be against it, to be honest with you. Tight bastard. Proper tight bastard.
Mate, we might as well do it in style, wouldn't we?
Don't know. Guess you've got to stay around for the rest of the video, see what happens. We'll leave that there.
We'll see some freewheelers turning up.
They're going to get a shock when we're all on Lime scooters on the way into Manchester, a squadron of 20 people. They've not come back to me about seating arrangement, by the way.
Well, we've not done one.
No, but I've asked them if they could do name cards and stuff for us because we want a seating arrangement, and they've just replied.
We need to do that now, actually.
Seating arrangement?
Yeah. I think it'll be piece of paper, take us 2 minutes. I know pretty much who you can sit with who.
Yeah.
Where's the paper? You do a rock guy.
Why don't you do on the whiteboard? That looks better.
Okay, so I'm going to sit you at the top, Jack. I'm going to sit you here. We're going to put H over it. We're going to split us all up.
Yeah. Oh, I want to go next to
Lewis?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's what you get for supporting me in the chat, Lou. You're stuck next to me now, mate.
Who do you want?
It's like picking people at football, this, mate.
Sean, yeah?
Sean was my second choice.
Yeah. I want it, Sean. Okay.
You next.
Source to sort. I reckon they want to go. I reckon Glenn wants to be in the middle here.
It's like a fucking football formation.
Is Harrison going to be pre-chop or after chop?
Harrison, when he came to the last meet-up, got fucked. That's what I'm talking about. You're not going to be able to fit all the names on that small table, mate.
I can't on these office.
How many we got? 23? There we go.
Can I sit next to you, Aaron?
Yeah?
To the right here, so I can stare at
And
Glenn.
we go Georgia. Pep. Did we put Pep in?
Fucking Pep Guardiola's coming, boys.
You happy with that?
Yeah, man.
Looks
On
fine.
showtime.
No, that's fine, I reckon.
Sweet.
Gosh.
Bash.
It's a fucking stick.
Don't think so, bro.
You like foreshadowing of the fucking car crash of the weekend we've got coming up, boys. Alright. Showtime. Cut the camera.
Do we get like Pringles or do we get like...
You don't need to make it difficult, mate.
He's a horrible cunt, isn't he?
H wants some sweets. What sweets do you want?
My favourite sweets are Tang Plastics.
Put whatever you want in, buddy. Strawberry bonbon. Nobody messes with my strawberry bonbons. Do you remember when his car got robbed and that's what he was pissed off at?
Who was that?
Chris Eubank. Everything got robbed and the only thing that he was bothered about was his strawberry bonbons getting stolen.
My strawberry bonbons had been taken. I called the police. I was furious.
Anyone who's drinking water tomorrow is banned, you're getting chucked out. Deleted from the programme.
Wrong section. Right, what booze are we doing? Are we
I
gonna
reckon that screams Johnny, that mate.
100 bar though. Reckon some bottles of wine?
Probably not, mate. I know, but what about if we get champagne and prosecco, something like that?
Thank God Sam's here. Make some sensible decisions.
They said now this is where it's all gone south. Well, I was just saying I'm the alcoholic, the big one just arrived. No comment. Right, what champagne are we getting? Doesn't need to be difficult, these guys. Yes, they're like, it's too much time being wasted. Doing it, put it in the basket.
What do you say about people that say you've bought way too much alcohol for like a 5-hour wholesale lecture?
You've clearly not met me. That's all there is to say. What? Well, I'm not going to be having these. I wouldn't drink it because it's full of sugar.
Can't wait to have all the leftovers on Monday, me.
Alright. I'm going to be belly fulfilling my boots.
Right, do you know when you're a kid and you just dream of going to shops and your parents always tell you no? Well, this is it now because we're grown adults and we've got a bit of money, so we can basically fulfill our childhood dreams and buy every bit of shit. What?
Is that for the meetup?
Yeah, why?
We're going to be in a hot car all day. He's right. Bang on, right, yeah.
What are we actually going to do about this then? Because we're going to have to get food.
What can I say? Inspiring. You've got to get the gears going.
It's the same colour as you as well, the bottle. So.
Yeah, it's only right. It is only right.
It's got an orange top.
Juicy peach.
We're going to tell them about who's coming tomorrow. The guy who's the viral bald guy, the one who... What to say?
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
One of the guys that's coming tomorrow, one of our clients used to work with him at Sainsbury's. So we're going to get some intel, we'll give you an update on that guy tomorrow. Go on. Good boy!
So we've got the meetup tomorrow. I'm just putting together the finishing touches for the in-person education, masterclass, seminar, whatever you want to call it. Putting the finishing touches together on that to make sure everything's ready for tomorrow. And as you've probably seen, Aaron's asleep, typical Aaron. And yeah, where's Jack? Jack's out for a trim, last minute as usual. But yeah, we're just making sure, slide deck's ready to go for the in-person education. Everything else is pretty much done. We've got travel sorted, which you would have seen happened yesterday. We've got the drinks, the food, and all that stuff sorted out for what we're doing here. And yeah, you'll see what's happening tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about it, to be fair, but it should be good.
And now a quick word from our sponsors.
SellerAmp SaaS is one of the best tools that you can get your hands on when doing Amazon FBA. So SellerAmp allows you to understand key metrics that will allow you to assess the profitability of an item. So some of these metrics include the current selling price on Amazon, the number of sales per month, the return on investment on that product, and also the profit after fees. You can also sign up through our link. You'll get 2 weeks free trial, and you'll also get 50% off your first month if you use our discount code. SellerAmp is a tool that 99% of our members use, and if you want to find your own products, it's critical. If you invested your meal deal money into retail arbitrage and a 30% return on investment, you'll get this.
It's like Ringo Starr.
I don't know who that is, mate.
What the fuck? Are you Wayne Mills?
I've heard the name, but I don't
What's the drummer?
Yeah.
You know who George Harrison is?
No.
You don't know the Beatles. Watch this. Sam, when are you getting changed into your nice clothes?
2 hours ago.
Mate, Lewis is so funny. I told him, he was like, what? He said, what are the Nerf guns for? I told him, he was like, I really love Aftermarket. Like, he was proper like...
Is he on camera?
No, he was like getting like proper into character.
Preparing.
I was like, mate, you need to do this. It's so good.
Yeah, so we are fixing the testimonials, right, guys?
Yeah.
Let me bring... Yeah, so any testimony you see, don't trust it. You're being threatened. Are you now finally complying and willing to give us a good review?
Yeah.
What did you think of the course?
Aftermarket Arbitrage was fantastic. It was really good and good value for money. And
would you pay more?
Yes, I would pay five times more.
Would you mind transferring out?
Yes. Whatever you need. It was fantastic, and I would definitely do it again.
Were you pressured into buying this course?
No, not at all.
So let's just start dining here, boys. It's not Costco's finest. We've had it done private chef this morning. Aaron actually baked the bread as well. It's been a proper team effort. This is recovery juice. That is for if someone dies later, you get this. Espresso. There is no freezer, mate.
There you go.
But you've actually forgot what the primary purpose of that was. Fucking champagne bottles. Yeah, you're going there, mate.
Saying.
And now this is 50% ROI. We got this with Costco.
Costco, yeah.
3,000 pounds a month. £2 profit per unit, so that can £6 a month.
What's the BSR on it?
Aaron?
It doesn't have one, mate.
Am I going blind?
Because it's that unique.
Is it true that you've jizzed in one of these sandwiches?
One has jizz and one has smeg.
Oh, okay. So we're going to have a lucky winner.
I'll let you know which one it is.
Is that yours, this one?
I'll probably open about 5 now.
Yeah. Well, I left mine. Someone asked me if my beer was over there, but then I remembered I opened a bottle of wine here. Which may imply that that was my beer.
Someone has been in my room and taken my beers away from my room.
Who would do that?
I like how zoomed in it goes. Oh.
Get him! A bit more about your business,
So right now we are doing a little bit of in-person mentoring. So we're testing everything that they've learned on the course, but then also reinforcing some general practices and sharing a little bit more insight, more advanced learning around issues like AP. But the main premise of this is just getting everyone involved, putting them on the spot, a little bit uncomfortable. But that's how they're going to be when you speak to an account rep. If you can do it in front of these people, you can do it to one person on the phone. That's what this is about.
If you want to film me, it's not going to be good content. We're gonna that camera's getting smashed, mate. That I swear.
Why are you so mad?
Did Jack show him?
Huh?
Did Jack show him the vehicles that we had lined up?
Really not fucking happy right now. Look at the fucking situation here. This is a situation that we were supposed to be in. Right. And pull it up. I don't think we're going to name the company yet because I don't want to shit on them because it's my friend's business. But we're supposed to have very nice transport, okay? 4 vehicles coming. They decided to not answer whatsoever, and now we're fucking stuck. And we're in Ubers. Great customer experience, and yeah, it is what it is. Roll the punches. Bye bye.
We'll see some freewheelers turning up.
Because these vehicles are very, very nice. But it's just not what we wanted in it. And if you don't laugh, you'll cry. No, if you don't cry, you'll laugh. Heartbroken, really.
But everyone's in good spirits.
But everyone's in good spirits, and that's what matters. Okay. So that just goes to show. Yo. Sorry. No, that's all right, mate. Ask a question. Go on, mate. Floor's yours now.
No, I'm all good. Don't want me on there.
What's the score?
Palace.
1-0 Palace, 2-0, but it was one disallowed. Nightmare. Absolute nightmare.
Crystal Palace fan TV.
Only Palace fan in the whole of Manchester. I'm here for it.
There we go. Like and subscribe.
I was just about to say. I'll get blasted with you if they win. Fucking hell. If you're filming this, it's going to be 48 quid each. We've had food.
Yeah. They're rolling with
Then I expect the Italian.
and the left side of the man.
That's another testimonial.
Yeah.
The fucking cars didn't arrive. We're now in the restaurant. The seating plan has completely fucking changed. The table wasn't supposed to be like this. Why? Why does this happen? This is running a business though. Everything fucking goes wrong. We're gonna be sound. We'll be sweet. Like foreshadowing of the fucking car crash of the weekend we've got coming up, boys.
I'll zip it.